Hi friends, watch also these videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, you can go. That's it for today. Let's go home. Let's go guys, let's go. Ha ha ha. Wow, this is amazing. Let's get them all. Out, out, hurry up.
The next day.
Okay guys, let's do this. Let's go. Stop, stop. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god, we should call to the police station. Hey, stop, stop. Don't move, you are under arrest. Thank you very much, sir. It's okay, it's my job.